Hi, everyone, and Happy New Year. Can you believe it is officially 2026? You guys, I am so excited you are here. If you're new, I'm Dr. Dawn, your business coach and consultant. If you've been following us for a while, you know that's true because each time you watch one of our videos or listen to one of our podcast episodes, we're all about helping you uplevel your career and living your life with more passion and purpose. Now, listen, after being in the business of education, training, and consulting for over 30 years, you might as well use your girl's experience to help you do just that. And I absolutely love kicking off the new year with our free 5-day challenge. Now, you guys, we have been doing this for quite some time. This is actually our 6th year to offer this challenge. And if you're watching this video tonight when I film it on Sunday night, you know that our challenge starts tomorrow, January 5th. Okay, let me tell you a little bit more about what this is. Let me give you the why. Why do we offer this? And why this week, your first week back to work? Well, you guys, that's actually it. That's the reason. When you come back from the holidays, isn't it easy to kind of just get blue? There's so much work that goes into even putting the holidays together if you hosted the holiday, let's say, or if you travel to be with family and friends. And so we can be a little blue that everything's behind us and there's still a lot of work to be done. If you're like me, you are still taking down your Christmas things, right? Because we went all out this year. So we are taking things down and reorganizing our house a little bit at a time. I take my own advice, people. I don't want you to get overwhelmed, and I don't want you to feel that way this week. So our live stream, which is a special part of our challenge, is something very, very special to us. This is when you can jump on a call. It's actually a live stream link that we offer right here on YouTube, and I hope you can join us tomorrow. Our challenge runs from Monday through Friday. And if you can join us live at 11:30, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the challenges. Now, you might be thinking, what are the challenges for this year? I'm going to get into that. And as you can see behind me, it says right here, if you can read that I want you to get registered. So if you want to participate, I need to send you the stuff. I need to send you your cheat sheet and your checklist. So just email me at Dr. Dawn, just DRDAWN. I'll be sure to put that on the screen here below as well. But email me at drdawn@drdawnshoptalk.com. And when you do, I will be sure to give you both your checklist and your cheat sheet. Now, if you're one of our private coaching clients, then you've already gotten a personal invitation for this. But if you're not, or even if you watch this like 5 years from now, just email us. We're always happy to send you these challenges. In fact, you guys, I'm going to put the playlist to our previous challenges in the description box. I'll be sure to link that because quite frankly, you can do these challenges anytime. Again, the why is to help you start your new, scratch that. The big picture why here is to help you start the new year off on the right foot. That's another reason we like to offer that to you your first full week back to work. So what we do is instead of burdening you with just a bunch of goals and a bunch of resolutions. Now, I love resolutions because if done right, it can really inspire you and set the tone for the whole year. In fact, I have some great videos about how to craft New Year's resolutions in the right way. I even interview my daughter about it. She and I are a little obsessed with everything from resolutions to vision boards, so I'll link those videos here too. But what we're doing is one small challenge each day this week, starting tomorrow. So again, you can set the tone and start your new year off with the best of intentions, with the best foundation to set yourself up for success. I've seen that happen not only with my employees, but definitely with my clients. If you set yourself up for success at the get-go, isn't it easier to keep up that momentum, you guys? So again, instead of something overwhelming, it's going to be one small task. And then the reason I want you to join us for our live stream, there's 2 parts to that. Number 1, I want to get your feedback. I want to see what you chose to do Okay. In fact, I'm going to talk about what we're working on tomorrow, what Monday's challenge is all about. And when you email me, again, you're going to get that paperwork. So you're going to know what we're working on Tuesday through Friday. But the live stream is a quick 10, 15 minutes at the most call. Again, 11:30 Central Standard Time. And when you get on the call with us, I want to give you an on-air shout out because I want you to share with us through your comments, by the way. Sometimes I can see them and you can't. In fact, most of the time I see who's online and you're not going to necessarily see that. So if you'd like to share what you're choosing to do on Monday, and Monday is Mix It Up Monday, I'll give you more info about that in a second, then do that. I love it when you guys do, okay? That's how come I'm all dressed up in sparkles and we've got all the good stuff here on the screen for you, because it's exciting, isn't it? A new year just represents a fresh start. It helps us reflect back on what we went through the previous year. Now, are there times when our year is filled with hardship and struggles and even loss? Absolutely. But it really reminds us that we can get through things together, surrounded by a circle of support. Family and friends can help you through those tough times. And if you need extra inspiration and support, we're here for you. That's what we do. We help companies, schools, nonprofits, organizations with leadership, with empowerment, with culture, all the things that help organizations and people be their absolute best. So we are definitely here for you. We've got tons of free resources, obviously through the YouTube channel, lots of podcast episodes. And if you go to the website, you guys, you can also download some free resources right there. Just click on the Career Secrets tab to access all of that. Okay, you guys, now you might see behind me, on this side, you might also notice I mentioned something about a door prize. Again, if you go to our previous challenges and look at Friday's video, at the end of the week, I always pull the name of our door prize winner for the year. I have had so much fun picking out the coolest things to give you guys. So it's always something that is sort of centered around our theme. And our theme for this year is all about mixing it up. In other words, taking big, bold action, dreaming big, and really betting on yourself to try new things, give yourself the privilege of new experiences, and to face your fear head on. Okay, so by mixing it up this year, you're going to stretch your boundaries a little bit. And when we stretch, we grow. Stretching can be painful, okay, but you're going to love it. In the end, you're going to be proud of yourself that you took those steps in your career, which can also help you in your personal life as well. So just like in previous years, if you participate in the challenge, your name is automatically entered into the drawing for our door prize. Now, how do you increase your chances of winning? And in fact, you guys, I'm going to show you what the door prize is tomorrow, live on the air at 11:30, remember Central Standard Time. In fact, on YouTube, you guys, if you just click the live tab on my YouTube channel, there's the link right there, Monday through Friday. It will show you right now that it's upcoming because it's not going to go live until 11:30. And again, we're going to keep it short and sweet, 10 to 15 minutes at the most, so that we can be together, talk about how things are going your first week back, but still give you plenty of time to enjoy your lunch hour and then come back to work refreshed for the afternoon. Now, in years past, I've loved the door prize so much that I've usually bought it for myself. This year I thought I wouldn't, but again, the door prize is going to be very exciting. It's actually going to be 2 things this year. So I can't wait to tell you all about that tomorrow. To increase, like I said, your chances of winning, just participate. And you can participate in 2 ways. Listen, especially on a Monday, tomorrow you may not be able to join us, but maybe you can join us Tuesday or maybe Friday, whatever the case may be. If you can't join us live, then go back to the YouTube channel and just watch the replay. And here's how I'm going to know that you've watched it. Go ahead and either comment or give us a thumbs up or both. When I see that, which I get notifications when you do, then again, I'm going to put your name in the drawing. And the more often you do that, the more your name goes into the drawing. So, a person who joins us for all 5 days and is liking the videos, etc., their name might be entered 5, 6, 7 times, maybe 10 times if they're doing each of those things every single day. So it's really up to you. Now, listen, if you're one of my MVP clients, you don't have to worry about that. You're automatically entered into the drawing. Now, of course, if you want to increase your chances of winning, then yes, go ahead and do that. Plus, we love hearing from you. We want to hear your comments, and we want to know that what we're sharing is valuable. Always comment for sure if you've got other ideas or if you've got questions about the challenges. Make sure you do that. Okay, you guys, let's wrap up with me giving you a heads up about what our challenge is for tomorrow. Okay? Tomorrow's challenge, I'm literally calling it Mix It Up Monday. And here's what I mean by that. I want you to break free from your regular Monday morning routine. Now, this doesn't have to be a huge change. It could be just changing your routine in the morning before you head on out for work. If you work remotely, then perhaps before you head over to your desk and where you're working from home, change something about that morning routine before you start your day. It could also include something like changing your route to work. If you're driving into the office, maybe take a more scenic route. Give yourself just a little bit more time to enjoy that. It could mean trying a new lunch spot. Maybe somebody is starting on Monday. Oftentimes HR might hire folks and ask them to start after the holidays. So what about inviting that new colleague to lunch and getting to know them better? That's definitely mixing it up. You could also do things like perhaps scheduling a walk. If your state's as beautiful as mine, I live in the beautiful state of Arkansas, you guys, then your weather might be gorgeous, chilly but sunny. So you might decide to schedule a walk as part of your lunch hour instead of just doing your normal routine. The goal here is awareness. When you try something new and mix it up, it wakes you up. And that's what Mix It Up Monday is all about. Have a wonderful rest of your Sunday evening. I really do hope you had a wonderful Christmas, Hanukkah, New Year, all of the things. I hope you really did enjoy your time. Hopefully you didn't party so much. We kind of did, where you need a vacation from your vacation. If you did that this year, go back to my previous video about how not to do that to yourself. We also have a podcast episode about that we released over Thanksgiving. So you see, guys, we've got you covered. Check those out and more, and I'll look forward to hopefully seeing you live. Again, if you can't join us live, watch the replay. Be sure to comment, give us a thumbs up, and you'll get that extra entry each and every time you do for the door prize that we will announce on Friday. Take care, everyone. We'll see you soon.